Make money online. Typing jobs for students on laptop. Welcome to Profitability Plus, your ultimate guide to unlocking financial success in 2024 and beyond. Today, we're diving into the world of online earning opportunities, exploring 7 effective methods to help you achieve a monthly income of $10,000 or more. But before we delve into the strategies, let's address a common misconception. Method 1. Transcriptionist. Did you know that you can make good money online by simply transcribing audio and video content? Forget about traditional writing gigs. Transcription offers a unique avenue for earning. As a transcriptionist, your role involves converting audio or video files into text format. This flexible work-from-home opportunity allows you to earn based on your typing speed and language comprehension. Work from the comfort of your home with no need for extensive experience. English comprehension and typing speed are sufficient. Set your own schedule and work at your own pace. Pros: flexibility. Work from the comfort of your home, setting your own schedule and pace. No experience required. Unlike traditional writing gigs, transcription primarily requires English comprehension and typing speed. Global opportunities. Many transcription companies accept international applicants, expanding your earning potential. Steady income. With consistent work, transcriptionists can earn a steady income, with some professionals making upwards of $300 per week. Cons: competitive entry. Some platforms may have a competitive application process, leading to delays in acceptance. Pay variability. Earnings may vary depending on typing speed and the complexity of the audio or video content. Method 2. High-ticket sales. Another lucrative avenue is high-ticket sales. Rather than focusing on numerous low-value transactions, high-ticket sales involve selling premium-priced products or services, leading to higher commissions or profits per sale. Enjoy higher commissions or profits per sale with fewer transactions required to reach your income goals. Pros: higher commissions. Selling premium-priced products or services leads to higher commissions or profits per sale. Fewer transactions. With high-ticket sales, you can reach your income goals with fewer transactions compared to low-value sales. Potential for upselling. High-ticket items often come with opportunities for upselling or cross-selling, further increasing earnings per transaction. Cons: market saturation. High-ticket sales niches can be competitive, requiring strategic positioning and marketing efforts. Customer acquisition costs. Acquiring high-paying customers may require significant investment in marketing or networking. Method 3. YouTube channels. With the rise of online video content, starting a YouTube channel presents an excellent opportunity to monetize your passion or expertise. From tutorials to entertainment, the possibilities are endless. Reach a global audience with diverse monetization options, including ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Benefit from the ability to showcase your personality and build a loyal community of subscribers. Pros: global reach. YouTube allows you to reach a global audience, expanding your earning potential. Diverse monetization options. Earn revenue through ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and more. Community building. Engage with your audience. Build a loyal community of subscribers and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Cons: content creation. Demands. Consistent content creation and engagement are necessary to grow and maintain a successful YouTube channel. Monetization. Thresholds. Meeting YouTube's monetization requirements, such as watch hours and subscriber counts, may take time. Method 4. Online coaching. Do you have a skill or knowledge that others are eager to learn? Consider offering online coaching services. Whether it's fitness, business, or personal development, coaching can be a rewarding way to share your expertise while generating income. Benefit from personalized guidance and mentorship with flexibility in scheduling sessions. Enjoy the fulfillment of helping others achieve their goals while earning a lucrative income. Pros: share expertise. Share your skills and knowledge with others, making a positive impact while earning income. Personalized guidance. Offer personalized guidance and mentorship to clients, fostering meaningful relationships. Flexible schedule. Enjoy flexibility in scheduling coaching sessions, accommodating both your and your client's availability. Cons: client acquisition. Building a client base may require marketing efforts and networking to attract potential clients. Time investment. Coaching sessions and client interactions require dedicated time and energy, especially in the initial stages. Method 5. Affiliate marketing. By partnering with brands and promoting their products or services, you can earn commissions for every sale or referral generated through your unique affiliate link. Enjoy the convenience of not needing to create your own products, with passive income potential, as you earn commissions on sales made through your affiliate links. Benefit from the ability to leverage existing brand recognition and marketing materials to drive sales. Pros: passive income. Earn commissions on sales generated through your affiliate links, even when you're not actively promoting. No product creation. No need to create your own products. Promote existing products or services from partner brands. Leverage brand recognition. Partner with established brands, leveraging their brand recognition and marketing materials to drive sales. Cons: market saturation. Popular affiliate niches may be saturated, requiring strategic niche selection and audience targeting. Commission structure. Commission rates and structures vary among affiliate programs, impacting earnings per sale. Method 6. Copywriting. For those with a flair for writing, copywriting offers a lucrative opportunity to craft compelling content for businesses, websites, and marketing campaigns. Benefit from the high demand for skilled copywriters, with the potential for recurring projects and retainer agreements. Enjoy the flexibility of working from anywhere with a laptop and internet connection, with the ability to choose projects that align with your interests and expertise. Pros: high demand. Skilled copywriters are in high demand, offering a steady stream of potential projects. Flexibility. Work remotely with a laptop and internet connection, choosing projects that align with your interests and expertise. Recurring projects. Build long-term relationships with clients, leading to recurring projects and retainer agreements. Cons: client acquisition. Finding and securing clients may require networking, pitching, and showcasing your portfolio. Deadline pressure. Copywriting. Projects often come with deadlines, requiring time management and prioritization skills. Method 7. Online boutique marketing agency. Now, let's explore a groundbreaking concept inspired by successful companies like Uber and Expedia. Imagine starting your own online boutique marketing agency, leveraging your expertise to help businesses thrive in the digital landscape. Experience unlimited income potential and creative freedom in strategizing and implementing marketing campaigns. Benefit from the ability to work with a diverse range of clients and industries, with the potential for long-term partnerships and growth opportunities. Pros: creative freedom. Strategize and implement marketing campaigns, leveraging your expertise and creativity. Unlimited income potential. Work with a diverse range of clients and industries, with the potential for high-value contracts and long-term partnerships. Diverse clientele. Partner with businesses across various industries, expanding your portfolio and expertise. Cons: competitive industry. Marketing agencies face competition, requiring differentiation and innovative strategies to stand out. Client management. Managing client expectations and delivering results can be challenging, requiring effective communication and project management skills. The path to earning $10,000 monthly in 2024 is paved with diverse opportunities. Whether you choose transcription, high-ticket sales, YouTube channels, online coaching, affiliate marketing, copywriting, or venturing into boutique marketing, each method offers unique advantages and potential for financial success. The key lies in selecting the right business model that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Ready to embark on your journey to financial success? Explore these 7 methods, weigh the pros and cons, and take action today. Remember, the future is yours to shape, and with the right mindset and determination, you can achieve your income goals and beyond. Here's to a prosperous and fulfilling year ahead. Embrace the possibilities, seize the opportunities, and make 2024 your year of financial abundance. Thank you for joining us on Profitability Plus. Until next time, stay inspired and keep striving for greatness.